Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. First, make sure your phone supports Geo 5G and that service is active in your exact location. Once confirmed, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh registration. Then, inspect the SIM tray for proper seating and open settings to verify APN is set to GeoNet and the system software is up to date. These steps remove common registration and configuration causes of slow 5G. Next, optimize radio behavior and network preferences. You can enable 5G only or NR band priority in developer options to prefer the fastest bands. This reduces band switching. Also, close heavy background apps and choose 5G/4G auto in network mode so your phone picks the best signal. If you observe packet loss or high latency, reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations. Doing so often restores optimal carrier parameters and cell selection logic. For final fixes, perform controlled speed tests across locations and times to identify weak spots. This helps decide if it's coverage versus device issues. Make sure carrier settings are current, and if needed, request a new SIM. Sometimes a swap solves provisioning problems. If problems remain, capture logs or a packet trace and contact Geo support with your tests. This provides them actionable evidence so they can escalate radio or provisioning faults effectively. One troubleshooting tip: always compare results with another 5G device nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.